Hello friends, it is Link the Green Gardener. Today is Tuesday, March the 10th, and on my daily walk here on a random road in New Braunfels, I stumbled across a patch of one of my favorite Texas natives. Now, if you love native plants, you may very well recognize that this is Prairie Verbena. It starts blooming in March. Today is March the 10th, so that makes perfect sense. Now, this beauty will continue to bloom all throughout the spring and summer and right into the fall. I grow this in Galveston as well, and mine were blooming in December before I had to transplant them. So this is a fantastic plant for multiple growing zones. Another thing I love about Prairie Verbena is that it is the host plant for the common Buckeye butterfly. So if you get a patch of this established, you may also establish a little colony of Buckeye butterflies. Now, you're going to see all different kinds of verbena at the nursery in all different colors, most likely. Very frequently, you will see something called homestead verbena, which is a cultivar. Now, it's a beautiful plant, but that is not the Texas native verbena. It's not going to be adapted specifically to our soils, and it's not going to be as hardy, I can assure you. I've grown that in the past, and it doesn't even remotely compare to Prairie Verbena. Now, I rarely see these plants. Actually, I've never seen these plants at a nursery, so you'll probably have to grow them from seed. Now, the way I established my patch was buying a seed mix, a wildflower seed mix called Bee Happy Mix from Native American Seed, which is also here in New Braunfels. So you can pick up a mixture of native wildflower seeds, plant them in the fall, get them established over the winter, and these will start blooming the following spring, along with anything else you planted. Now, you can also do a Google search for seeds. I think I've found standalone Prairie Verbena seeds before, although I've never bought them. So anyway, however you get your hands on Prairie Verbena seeds, you really need to get some of these going. Look what an amazing ground cover this makes. And this is zero maintenance. There's nobody out here tending these plants. There's nobody watering them. They're not weeding them. They're just letting them live in the natural environment. And that is why we love and grow native plants. So if you're looking for a fantastic ground cover that flowers profusely, practically year-round, that supports the local pollinators as well as the common Buckeye butterfly, you need to grow some Prairie Verbena. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.